EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for October 14th, 2020. For your Wednesday, expecting mostly sunny skies across the region. Very nice day today. It's going to be slightly above average technically, but it's going to be very near room temperature. So on either side of 70 degrees today from north to south, meaning we're going to be the upper 60s far north, kind of 70 in the middle, maybe 72-ish far south and southeast. So very nice day today, full of sun. And as that system that we dealt with yesterday is now far away from the region. It actually almost gave us a pretty good sunset for our eastern areas. It wasn't quite fast enough to get out of the far eastern areas of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, with as far as the clouds associated with it were concerned yesterday. But further interior, you did have a pretty nice sunset. And that's going to be the case going into today and again on tomorrow. We're going to be warming up, though, a little bit more because we have this cold front that's going to be approaching the region. Now, this is late in the day here on Thursday. This is a cold front, a strong cold front on the lead of a trough, and this trough is digging in behind here. This is going to have some much cooler weather coming in for the weekend, but there is... this is going to be far enough west here on Thursday where we're still going to remain mostly sunny. We're still going to have a southwesterly wind flow out ahead of this. It's going to give these temperatures up into the middle 70s for highs here on Thursday. So now we're going from slightly above to above average on Thursday. But this is going to be short-lived because we have this cold front moving through the region here on Friday. It's going to have some scattered showers associated with it. Now, again, we talked about this in yesterday's video. The far eastern side of this, there could be some weak low pressure trying to form on the right along that boundary here, somewhere along that boundary, and it could enhance rainfall right along the boundary as it moves eastward. And this deep trough is settling into the region here at the same time. So sometimes you'll have these low pressure centers that will form ahead of these deep troughs coming in here. It's in autumn and again in winter. This can lead to some anafrontal snow on the opposite side of the front. And that won't be the case this time because we're not quite that cold yet. But we do have showers mainly in the interior, just showers we're looking at during the day here on Friday. And it's favoring the afternoon, evening, and overnight for this to occur. Not so much early on Friday. So we think we are going to have an increase in, right now the forecast is for increasing clouds on Thursday night. Mostly cloudy start on Friday morning, and then we'll have the showers moving in either late morning or early afternoon, and then again, far eastern areas might have some enhancement with that rainfall and give you a little bit more rain out of this. And then kind of rain will give you over a half inch of rain, half inch to an inch, maybe even an inch and a quarter in some spots. But this will be mainly across Delaware, New Jersey for that to occur. Interior locations are generally much less. So this is all going to depend on this timing and speed of the front here. And everything is indicating this is going to be not as big of a deal for the interior as farther east. So that, again, is going to wrap up overnight on Friday night, and that pulls away, and then this is going to wrap up in New England. Here's that low pressure forming along the boundaries, and to sock them pretty good here with some heavier rain, but that's going to be their issue at that point. And we, on the other hand, are going to have any morning clouds on Sunday giving way to sunshine, clouds giving way to sun on Saturday, and temperatures are only going to be in the 50s for many of our locations. Actually, the majority of the region is going to be stuck in the 50s for highs here on Saturday, and we're looking at maybe getting to 60 down here by Philadelphia, but that's about it. Everywhere else you're looking at mid to upper 50s for highs here on Saturday, and then it looks like we're partly to mostly sunny for a couple days as we get into Sunday. Here's Sunday here, and then here's Monday. Both are partly to mostly sunny days with temperatures moderating a little bit, so we're going to get into maybe the lower 60s here on Sunday, and then middle 60s on Monday and Tuesday. And this is all ahead of the next system that's going to lead to partly cloudy skies here on Tuesday. But we're going with the drier forecast. The GFS has a frontal boundary coming through early, maybe around Tuesday. We're going to watch that timing of that. But right now, all indications are, from the European model anyway, that this is going to hold off and will remain dry for several days past that cold front passage on Friday. But we'll continue to follow it throughout the week. If there's any changes, we'll let you know. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for October 14th, 2020. Have a great Wednesday.